Hey, this is Troy Ericson, the owner of copywriting.org, which is something I purchased pretty recently, built an entire site around, launched it organically with a pretty crazy strategy, and I got 170,000 page views in the first month. However, though, that kind of fell off in month 2 and month 3, and I was like, shoot, I should probably do something about this. So I hired an SEO guy, and he was like, yeah, this is literally going to take me forever to write all these blog posts and articles that we need to rank on Google. So Stefan Georgi told me about content at scale, and essentially you can write hundreds of blog posts and articles per month instead of having pay a writer way too much money to work their butt off to write 1 or 2 a day. Now we can do hundreds, right? So in the first month, we went from a DR of 6 to 20, which is pretty insane. That's a good mix of keywords, organic research, and of course content at scale, which is just really good at finding the keywords that we should be ranking for and optimizing the articles for them. So that's a little bit of what we've done. It's still really early on, and I'm excited to keep going and growing with content at scale. It's something you should try too, especially if SEO is your bread and butter, because there's really not a better way to approach this than by having a system that just does all the work for you, right? And optimizes it so you don't have to have an entire team. You can stay pretty lean, right? So how much has it saved? I don't even know how many writers, right? Because I'm new at this and I'm still seeing success with it. But I would guess that it would probably, it does the work of probably like 3 writers, maybe 4, I'm not sure. But either way, it definitely more than pays for itself every month, probably to the tune of 2 or 3x. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful.